Hi everyone. Well, today I'm going to be doing a Sheleeart bloom swipe on my spinner. I have the big push pins on the back of the canvas. It's a little 8x10. I really like those, and they stick. I put a silicone mat over my spinner, so they stick pretty good. So I have it in my puppy pool to catch the splatter. So I got that on Amazon. Okay, this first color that we're getting is, this is a piggy, Nightfall, really pretty sparkly. The next color is an Artist Loft light magenta, and I mix that with this PBO fluorescent pink. Okay, on this one I mix some Winsor Newton permanent green light and a piggy lily pad. This one is the Amsterdam Deep Gold. Okay, for my medium for the colors, 3:1, 3 of this Behr Dynasty untinted base, deep base, to 1 part paint and a half a part of the Sonja and a half a part of the polycrylic. And the multi-pro here is what I'm using for my pillow right out of the can. You can mix some GAC 800 with it if you'd like, but this eggshell seems to work really good, so I always put it in another bottle. It's pretty thick. You want it thicker than your other colors. I got a gooby there. So I want to sort of, because it's thick, try to help it spread out a little bit so it can get over that edge when I spin it. I need a little more paint, so I'm putting some more paint in the middle. So we'll just put on some music. I'm popping some bubbles. In this technique, you don't want to use your torch because it forms a crust. So I'm going to go ahead and put some music on and enjoy. I'm going to be swiping with the black and white cell activator. All my recipes are down below. Check them out. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. Check out all my social links down below in the description. Take care. See you next time. Aloha.